Welcome back to Essential Eats, your ultimate destination for mouth-watering and health-conscious content. In today's video, we're diving into the extraordinary world of blueberries. Get ready to discover the incredible health benefits of these tiny, flavor-packed fruits. Buckle up and let's explore the marvels of blueberries together. Blueberries, with their vibrant hues and tantalizing sweetness, are not only a delight to the taste buds but also a nutritional powerhouse. So let's jump right in and uncover the benefits of adding blueberries to your diet. Get ready to be amazed! Blueberries are bursting with antioxidants, including anthocyanins, which give them their vibrant color. These powerful compounds help protect our cells from damage caused by harmful free radicals and support overall well-being. The abundance of antioxidants and flavonoids in blueberries contributes to a healthy heart. Regular consumption of blueberries has been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease, as they help lower blood pressure and improve cholesterol levels. Blueberries are often referred to as brain berries, for good reason. Studies suggest that the antioxidants and phytochemicals in blueberries may improve brain function, enhance memory, and protect against age-related cognitive decline. The antioxidants found in blueberries, particularly lutein and zeaxanthin, play a crucial role in maintaining good eye health. They help protect against age-related macular degeneration and cataracts, promoting clear vision. Blueberries are packed with dietary fiber, which promotes a healthy digestive system. The fiber content aids in smooth digestion, helps prevent constipation, and supports a healthy gut microbiome. Blueberries are rich in vitamins C and E, which are known to boost the immune system and protect against oxidative stress. Including blueberries in your diet can help strengthen your body's defense against infections and diseases. These tiny fruits have been found to have anti-inflammatory properties, thanks to the presence of antioxidants. Regular consumption of blueberries may help reduce inflammation in the body, which is linked to various chronic diseases. Blueberries are low in calories but high in nutrients, making them an excellent choice for weight management. Their natural sweetness satisfies your sweet tooth while providing essential vitamins and minerals. The combination of fiber and antioxidants in blueberries has been associated with improved insulin sensitivity. This makes blueberries a great addition to a balanced diet for those looking to manage their blood sugar levels. Including blueberries in your diet may contribute to healthier aging. The antioxidants in blueberries help combat oxidative stress and protect against cellular damage, promoting a youthful appearance and overall vitality. So, whether you enjoy them fresh, frozen, or incorporated into delicious recipes, blueberries are a true superfood that can elevate your health and well-being. Thanks for joining us on this exciting journey through the wonders of blueberries. If you found this video informative and enjoyable, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more enlightening content on superfoods, healthy recipes, and wellness tips. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Remember, your health is essential, and we're here to guide you on your journey to optimal well-being. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll continue exploring the amazing benefits of nutritious foods.